Okay. Mumpulira. So let's get started with today's analysis. Those getugenda otandika nayo. Shaban, how are you doing today? Oli bulungi? Wanji?
How are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
You've been okay. Wakozeeyo. So wano tujja beera both on Zoom and YouTube.
No.
Tewakozeeyo. What happened? What happened? Ki ekyabaddewo? Wanji? Okay, eno analysis eno, let's get started. Katutandikirewo. So, which pair should we start with? Tutandike ne pair ki? You give me the pair, we do the analysis.
Euro USD.
Euro USD je batandika nayo. Okay.
Bitcoin.
Okay. So what we do is one thing. Nagenza okulaba nti network ayina abantu betawanya, and these recordings are so important to some people. So we've decided to be streaming live on YouTube as well. If Zoom gives you an issue, ogenda ku YouTube and watch from there. Okay? If Zoom gives you an issue, if you want to ask anything, we are only answering the questions ezaba abantu abali ku Zoom. We are not answering questions from YouTube. If you want to ask anything, you type 1C, but it would be better if you joined YouTube, Zoom rather. So let's get started. Tujatandikanga ne analysis, okay? We are going to be doing today's analysis, then we forecast tomorrow's, then we forecast the next day. So let's look at which pair did you say? Tutandike ne Euro USD.
Meta, just do on the index. The index.
The indices is it what kolako? Okay.
Yes, because right now there is a market.
So zine kati tuli market. It's okay. So let's go to our website, which is mataf.net. Please give me good evening to you, Wanji Shaban.
Your website.
Are you sure? Probably. You know, let me see. So it's okay now.
Yes, that's been okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Nigga, how are you, sir?
How are you doing?
I'm okay. It's not that much clear.
Shaban. So which website should we use?
Yeah,
This is not MentoredTrader for. You know, see MentoredTrader for. It is okay, so you're going to oyagala tukolere ku indices. Tukolere ku indices. So which currency index?
Dollar index. For me, the preferred question dollar.
Okay, DXY.
Yeah. So I want to be that dollars.
Daily chart.
Yeah, exactly. Daily chart. They will say, "Can we add that? I want to confuse. They have just 50 pips today."
It gave you only 50 pips today.
I think that's so complicated. Do you see that?
Yeah, I understand. I see this. I understand. I really do understand. So just like we had agreed yesterday over analysis jetwakoze yesterday, I don't know, it opened and dropped, then bought 101C. Over it opened, bought first, then dropped. What did it do first? Chichi also color.
It's open and it's open job and yes, yeah, but you have the nedam necessary.
Ya open inze nedamu necessary.
Yeah, you have the one thing about necessary.
Okay.
Yes, so we're gonna analysis here when the confused in your
Okay.
Euro USD can bottom bottom, but in between the Friday's high and the today's high, or today's open, I think yes, today's open.
Okay.
Yes, between there, the other institutional level wakati yao, so kugamba market by the way what taking the higher Friday.
Which one? This the dollar index.
Well, it's the same because when you see that, yeah. For Euro, it look like that.
Yeah, that is because zona zigida so. Oyabadagala tukole ki exactly? What do we do exactly here? Because twagala kola analysis, twagala tukole analysis, then after the analysis to tuberezemo maso.
So what I think tomorrow on that prayer. Or index complicated the move.
Tomorrow's candle.
Yes,
okay. Simply because
unemployment data won't be done so. But government dollar want US crisis here economic.
Okay.
Yeah, so
okay.
No, it might have been due to Independence Day. You never know. It might change tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
For me, mentor.
Yes, please.
For me, what I think is a ndowoza kiyinza okubeera nga ebaddeyo olwaleseeki n'okubeera nti era ebadde Monday always market zibeeramu manipulation zibeeramu naye ekiro kyakulambuka okusinziira embeera nga bweri nze ndowooza nti enkya eyizotoka ku kando ng'etegerekekako Shaban kyagamba ndaba kiyinza obutaba kituufu. Yes.
So tusoke tukole today's analysis. So today fena twalabye what happened when it opened. We all saw what happened when it opened. Simanyi Shaban wabaddeko obadde wagenze. So bwe tutambula mu gundi zaffe eza bulijjo. Oh my god. Bwe tutambula mu gundi zaffe eza bulijjo twalabye nti we had sawa meka sawa 12 sawa 11 there. It opened there ne droppinga then eri mu kwambuka. So yasoose kola dodge then eri mu kwambuka then tulina gundi endala rejection endala. That's what it first did here. Simanyi ndowooza kyendaba naawe kyekyo kyolaba kyekimu. It's the same thing that you're seeing.
Yeah.
Yes. So kati I don't know. So here Wanji 8 ne 15 ichi dollar.
Yeah.
Dollar pairs, what you do, institutional levels zikola. Okay, you use institutional level. Now, ensonga lwaki tuina
as an index, when you do analysis on the index, so
today we didn't have any news ku dollar. Twabadde na mawulire ku dollar. Tetwabadde na mawulire ku dollar leero.
No.
I think you know that.
Yeah.
Yes. Ate leero ya gundi United States babadde mu independence, right? So it being an independence, it being an independence day, yagize Zoom. Nkwesa ameka. So that is just a second katono nnyo. Just a second katono nnyo. A second katono. I realize something here. So I call you tomorrow. Wanje tomorrow. Kale sulabulunje. Okay. Shaban, dollar index fena twategedde nti balina independence. Okay? Okitegeera. So we didn't expect ne volatility gye tubadde expecting ku card yongayo, it didn't do what we wanted it to do. Okay? Tujiraba ne wano, we see it here, it is still trying to give us, okay, ku gundi, it's still trying, naye sigama ntino bigenda according to what we had planned. Fine, the Canadian dollar is buying. Naye this is not what we wanted to see. Okay, this is not the analysis that twakoze jjo. So it's okay to what happened today. Ku which pair? We are starting with the analysis of currency pairs before we go to predicting about, predicting tomorrow's market. It's okay to love it today. What happened? Obuzibu wabufunyewa nchimanyi Shaban wabadde ku euro dollar. Euro USD. So today twabadde ne manipulation nyingi mu gundi mu katale kano. Twabadde ne manipulation nyingi mu quotes. Okay, all these quotes were manipulated leero. Ng'oggyeko euro, USD, pound ne Canadian dollar. The other quotes were manipulated in the morning. As usual, tubeera ne sawa zaffe meka sawa mukaaga eza New York. Okay, tubeera ne sawa zaffe mukaaga eza New York right there. So leero tegabye, okay, dollar teyina kyetuwadde, and neither did the euro give us anything. Sicho? Dollar teyina kyegabye. Dollar teyina kyetuwadde. Nyoyo. Dollar teyina kyetuwadde at all. So right here we opened institutional levels ezo za mugaso nnyo. Institutional levels ezo za mugaso. So we have an 80 waggulu. Ne ekirala ky'olina okukola kiri kimu. You have to watch price side zombi. Okay, olina okulaba price side zombi. Yadde Shaban eri website ajagala, but olina okulaba price both sides. This is how I watch price. Nze mbeera ne pound wano, then nembeera ne Canadian dollar here. Okay, wano wansi. So I saw the pound run above this old high here. Okay, kano ka high, wakabadde ka high ka Friday, but this was July 1st. This one here. That's when I looked for my entry, 40 level over the smart trading entry. So this is the pound above this high. Then one on the side, okay, nze nakirabye ne ngamba nti anyway, engeri gye tuli mu consolidation, let me sell the pound card Reason being, I was expecting the market to drop, neno ekole retracement. By the time eno agenda kola retracement okudda waggulu, this one would have also, okay, yatuse nekola the opposite of what it was supposed to do. Akitegera Shaban. So yatuse nekola the opposite, which is okay. Naye nze I entered the market immediately nga wano waggulu wano, okay, olaba up here nga tumaze okugira okutrading above this high. Mukalaba ka high ako oba kagundi screen ntono. This high here. Tokalaba. Yes, kano ka high. That's when I entered the market. Because nagenze okulaba Canadian dollar ekyali mu birowoozaako. Okay, Canadian dollar ebadde ekyali mu birowoozaako. Should I buy or sell? Okay, so what I did immediately, as usual, nze nakozeseza smart trading entry, the 40 level. Gye nakozeseza to enter the market. I was not going to touch on that currency pair, but when alabye okay to look 40 level, I trusted this to push price lower. Why did I do this? Now, do you see this level here? Ojirabe yo area yo. Waliwo bukando bwa green. Okay, and most people thought that this is okay. Waliwo bali aba trading eno nga order block. But nze sakozeseza order block. I used two things. We are ku smart trading entry, the 40 level, then ekirala index yongayo emazo trading above this. So I was expecting a sell there, and that's what I did. I sold there, but naviridemu wano ku live account kweno green candle because target yange zibadde pips 5, 50 pips enough for me. Yadde akatale kayinza okubeerezaamu wansi, but me I wanted 50 pips ngendo waka. Nakoze dollars zange 6, and I think buli omu namulaze. Nange nakoze account ya $10. I want to see nsobola ogivuga nenjituusa mu sente meka mu mwezi gumu. Okay, so nange zoom is off. Okay, Shaban, that is what I was looking for. Okay, waliwo bali ababadde batunulira. So retailers, retail traders, bo balaba nti this is balaba nti maybe this is supply zone or demand. Bali aba trading supply and demand. For them, they are looking at supply and demand here. Iliyo nabali abalaba order block, but ekituufu kiri nti this is why this currency dropped this high here, old high. That is why, this is why it dropped. Severe supply and demand, severe chiso. Tugende ku, and it is still selling. Tuyina yoka retracement, but wotunulira Canadian dollar yo yadduse dda yayambuse dda emisinde. Okay, Canadian dollar yo yayambuse dda emisinde. From here, so in fact Canadian dollar ye yayambye this pair to to rally like that. So I think you now see Chenjagala Ononye. Sagala, I don't want you to fall in love with the currency pair. Okay, it's not that I don't want, but it's an advice. Do not just fall in love with the currency pair simply because every time you have a Euro USD, ku screen yo erabika bulungi. Okay, it is a it has a sexy look. No. For a currency pair, jomanyi one is selling, the other one is buying. So me in a period of something like 3 hours, nasobola okufuna pips zange 5 and I was out. Bulungi. Okay? It didn't scare me nti eyambuse just like it normally does. It didn't scare me because waliwo currency gy'obeera nayo nga ekutiisa eyambuka nekirira neyambuka nekirira. You get it? So kyogenda okola weewale nnyo okufa bufigayingira kikola analysis. If you don't love the other website, subscribe to TradingView osobola okufuna gundi ezirabika obulungi. Okay, osobola okufuna okitegedde Sharif, Shaban. Okay. Wanji. Yes. So which other currency pair jet what kolako analysis? Whatever gave you headache today, let's analyze the market. That's why we are here. Tubeera wano nga tukola analysis. You ask why it did this and I answer. You ask why it did this and I answer. That's why we are here. Okay, ensonga lwaki tuli wano obuuza nenkuddamu. Edmond, yes, please go ahead.
Mentor, good evening.
Good evening to you.
Recording stopped.
Euro JPY. Okay, let's look at the Euro Yen. So Euro JPY, you bought, right?
Yes.
Okay. Euro JPY yabaddemu ka uptrend katono. So as usual, tukola wait. Let's have only two yoksats. Okay, let's have only two. So ku Euro JPY nga bulijjo osooka n'olaba amawulire sikyo. That is our culture. Okay, the way tutyo tusooka laba amawulire, tusooka noonya amawulire. Wa awali amawulire, lwaki waliwo amawulire affect your day as a trader. Website gy'okozesa you use investing.com. Nasajja computer gye bampadde kyemanyi ejja kuntawaanya but it's okay. Twabadde n'amawulire kigundira ebyo mu forex. Twabadde n'amawulire kikaki. Okay. Did it affect the market over bya bulijjo? Yes. It is because tewakoze analysis yo bulungi. Shaban nkimanyi you do analysis yo gikolera ku smartphone. Nimbye. Kyongamba waguze screen eyakabenje. Alina 42, yaguze 42 inch. Yaguze 42 inch. Okay, so when we look at amawulire wano, CHF yabadde n'amawulire emirundi 3 today, and zonna zabaddemu, emu yabaddemu positive. I think this was better than expected, then this other one was better than expected. So eno yabadde 2.9, forecast yabadde 3.4, then this is what we got. then 7.3 we got this. Okay, so it is only this one here ne zabaddewo ku ssaawa emu, okay, the same time. So if you bought CHF is if you bought, just nga bwe tutera ogamba ku strategies affe, if this is greater than the previous, you follow what? Okay, so here it is 50-50. Okay, it is 50-50. Euro tebadde na mawulire gali serious ng'ogyeko speech, ate zonna zabaddemu negative. Okay, worse than expected, worse than expected, worse than expected. So tugendeko ku chart, so tulabe gundi. Okay, tulabe. Okay, on our website, yeah. Ngenda laba euro, ngenda nonya euro. Wagambye euro ne pair chendala, currency chendala.
JPY.
Euro JPY.
Yeah, JPY.
Okay.
No,
no, I understand. So lero euro teyakoze move yonna. The only thing that we have ku euro ebadde consolidation. Euro yabadde ne consolidation ne session gye twabadde nayo ku YouTube, I think ku macha oba emisana, I don't know. Twagirese ng'eri mu consolidation ezina essaawa. So wano Shabani tewafunyeewo kawogo konna. You didn't get anything from here, Shaban. All we had today was a consolidating market ku euro. Euro JPY. Yakukoze eki. Today you won't forget today. July 4th. Nayenze nga nafunye nayenze today, but today go to, oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Bibao, and not every day is a trading day. Chovola banze nabagamba I don't trade on Monday. Chovola banakoze account again of trading. Nakoze your account again of trading anga gundi every day. I'm not touching my other funds every day. Nakoze your account entono $10 ntandikirawo mpola mpola. Oba nji blowinga it is okay. So lero Shaban, we didn't have any strong move when currency pair. The euro, yen, tebadde na volatility yonna. Reason being, these two currencies were doing what? Zabadde mu consolidation. Okay, oba zibadde mu indecision. That's why. Yes, please.
Euro JPY. Nekando ya lero tebadde na bottom sewo n'egirinde gyetestinge wenjagala tegaana.
Bw'ogenda ku Euro JPY as a pair.
So as a pair, you index day bias.
So it opened wherever it opened, but we are looking at 17 tunonya sawa mukaga is ekiro New York right there. Okay, so Asian range, you know, let's take this high instead of this kuba kano katono. So strategy chijo kendo kozesa wano ogenda kozesa the 60-second episode. Jogendo tunolira, you mark this high and this low 101C. Okay, you mark the high and the low there. Okitegeera, long term highs and lows zogendo kozesa if you're to do this analysis. Then ekirala maaso ku lutimbe, you have to, you know, consolidation, you know, let's consider this Asian range high and low. Okay, Shaban, you know, jitunulire nga Asian range. So if we run above, you know what to do. Then ekirala amawulire olina gakozesa. But lero Japanese yen at sawa mukaga ya droppings. So ensobi gye wakoze Shaban, it is to trade a consolidating quote and a consolidating base. Kyekizibu kye wakoze. But katulabe JPY, let me say for example, you took JPY New Zealand over the New Zealand JPY. Katulabe wano New Zealand NZD yakikoze etya yongayo.
Then we have a selector who do now, and Gagabia that tipsy, a fifty hour day, our day, or 50 hour day,
Pips in sound. Yes, please.
You look at GBP JPY.
GBP JPY. Zona tezibadde mu downtrend olowooza. This was sawa 10. Okay. Wow. At around this time, at 6:30 o'clock in the morning, then sawa mukaaga waliwo oyo atandise otutawaanya. Yawandika ku screen zaffe. Waliwo yawandika ku screen zaffe oswadde. So, Wanji? No, it's okay. Fena tuli bantu tusobya. So, GBP JPY situanti at around that time yatuwadde kye twetaaga, but let's first see, because tulaba emu yasoose n'etambulamu n'eyambuka then endala. It is, by the way, etambula kye kimu ne gundi ne Euro JPY. Euro JPY, it's the same ne wano. Okay, byonna byonna bye bimu. Wanji? Wanji? Wanji?
GBP JPY kumata yabadde amount.
Yabadde
negative.
Gagali negative. But instead, okay.
Yeah. On Forex Factory.
Okay, gabadde negative.
Monetary base.
Okay. Investing.com didn't have that news. So which means we should shift.
Yeah.
Sometimes we should shift netukolera gundi, netukolera analysis zaffe nga ku, okay, all websites. Please, you can always share those websites with the other folks kubanga abasinga tebabimanyi balowooza nti buli kyenkozesa kyekyo ekyamaanyi. No, nange nyina bye sitamanyi. Remember, I told you simanyi buli kimu. So Forex Factory nayo esobola okuwa agundi the news. Okay, no tunuulira amawulire and you know what to do. Tobeera ku side emu.
Kyembadde nsaba otunule ku
160.00. Price level 163.00. Okay, 163. One eno. This is where it is. Okay.
30 minutes time frame.
30 minutes time frame.
Yes.
This candle. Okay. Obot.
What's your name?
Wanji. Waliwo omuntu antawaanya awandise ku screen yaffe naye tumukolere kyoyo ajuzizaako ebintu bya yellow. Ali eyo atusaba musonyiwa. So no, it's okay. Nze ekyokola, you know, oyo yeetaaga kuba
Ali mu kukula.
It is really bad. It is really bad okulaba nti omusajja omukulu asobola okukola ekintu ng'ekyo. Agambye ki?
Profe, ya me sale. Profe, vengo a follaros.
But people, I don't know what's wrong with people. I don't know what's wrong with. I don't know what's wrong with such people. Really? Okay. Zoom has an option. Zoom has an option of. I'm going to. This is really bad. This is. Let's end this. We restrict those people from the other countries from joining. It's okay. I have people with Vaina Gundi babafunidde eddagala, so we had to have another link, our personal link. So they don't have this link. That link went viral on YouTube, and it is a mistake that I did. It is a mistake that I did. So let's use this one here. Not us having people. Anyway. So tubeerezemu, I think. Tubeerezemu, I think. They don't have that link. Okay, they don't have that link. We shouldn't tolerate such people. They will still see heaven. They will still see heaven. So, Gundi Obote Junior yaze oba he's still the other side. Is he active? Is he active? Obote Junior, are you active? To Tandikira, we start from there. Sharif, you have no network. Your network is too low. Your network is weak. No, they won't manage to hack into our channel. They got the link from YouTube. They got the link from YouTube.
What is not here?
Who? Who is not here? Obote Junior is not yet here. Okay, let's proceed. Katufune another pair. We do our analysis from another pair. Analysis tugikolere ku pair endala. No, what this is the other YouTube, the other Zoom link. It had an option whereby everyone can share the screen. Okay, so they joined and started sharing funny stuff on the screen. Okay, they joined and started sharing funny stuff on the screen. We are still
I thought you were going to restrict that.
No, what I did, we had to switch to another link because I don't have time to do all the settings. Because we're going to for any time to do all the settings, it's going to take forever, and we have to. So, let's get another pair to get to Labe. Let's get another pair, another currency pair. Because Gundi Tanatuka, Abdu Tanatuka. So that is what young men do. Do not be surprised. Okay, that's what young men do. Analysis, which pair? Tubatandika nayo. USD JPY. Tuliku, which one? So this is USD JPY. Okay, in Misana, we were looking at price coming to this 80 level, running above these highs and this other high here. So in here, we're to get into indices. If we look at these other indices, we're to know indices in dollar. We have the likelihood of. So let's look at today. Let's look at today before we jump to tomorrow's analysis. So olwaleero we opened right tunanya saa mukaaga eza New York. We're looking at midnight for our entries. there. It dropped and rallied above this high. We are looking at the 80 level. But again, the other thing that you're supposed to do is one, you have to analyze the indices zonga zo USD yonga yone JPY. Ensonga lwaki we had this move up, Obote Junior yagambye nti yalabye news. We had amawulire ku the other currency on the other website, rather this same currency, the Japanese yen, yabadde ina amawulire, and the dollar was selling today. So oyinza okwebuuza, why is it that tuli mu uptrend yet the dollar is the base? Okay, oyinza okwebuuza nti why is it that the dollar is the base ate wano tulabawo uptrend? No, Japanese yen yabadde ekirira, and somehow the dollar was consolidating, so it had to be an uptrend. Remember, if the base is selling, we buy. Sorry, if the quote is selling, we buy the base. If the base is selling, we do vice versa. So this is JPY. I'm looking at this 80 level right here to gain strength to push price lower. But again, if the dollar singebera mu downtrend tomorrow nezilina kwendala, yet we see here that the Japanese yen is still consolidating right here. Okay. Ogambye ki? Let's proceed. Kati wano tulaba nti we have a consolidation ku Japanese yen. Okay, tulina consolidation ku Japanese yen. That's why we have this trend here. Okay, tulina trend there, no? Side here. Okitegedde owa USD JPY? That is how we've moved. That's how we move today. Such things do happen. Choino Kola, do not mind about such people, because such people do exist, and that's how the world is. That is how the world is. So let's have another pair. Let's have another pair. I'm looking at the 80 level and it's doing its job already. Monday, you first delete that link because, okay, wait, don't delete the link. Let me do something here. Okay, perfect. That is okay. That is fine. So here we were still looking at this level here, 70 level. Okay, though price didn't come to this ngabobadde ochagala, but it is close. Going to that smart trading entry, but that is bam. Okay, what GBP USD? Here is your entry. How many pips are you looking for? You're not looking for 100 pips or 1,000 pips. Chokola chilichimo. Always come back to this website. You do your analysis. Launch. Okay, USD. So what was the dollar doing in the morning? The dollar bought here. Nedamo consolidation. yet this one is selling. So your uptrend jolaba, this is when did it start? At 15 minutes past 7 o'clock in the morning. The same thing here. Okay, so in a trend, this uptrend found this one also doing what? Buying. 15 minutes here, consolidation, then it started dropping. While the pound was dropping, the dollar started consolidating. Ate tulaba zombies in consolidation right now. Okay, for the last 1, 2, something like that, for the last 2 hours, pound yatandise consolidation. So when you go back to the pair right here, this is the consolidation. They drop, then the consolidation. So what do we want to see? We want to see the pound drop. Okay, dollar never sigala mu consolidation, it's not a problem. All we want to see is the pound drop eberezemu the kirira wansi. Zona bwe zinagenda mu uptrend tujja funa consolidation still. If this one buys and this one sells, wano tujja funa reversal. Okay, we shall get a reversal here ku dollar ne Japanese yen, rather the British pound. But if you are to sell at what time? At 8 o'clock in the morning here, over 8:30 o'clock, wano, you can trust this. Are we running above this high? You first look at the currencies, the two currencies. What was it doing at 8:30 o'clock? 8:30 o'clock, this black candle ebadde tena trading waggulu weno high. Okay, you see this high here, up here, because I told you don't chase price. So this high, you enter. Are you selling? So olaba, now this is the other thing that you should trust. Those levels are not going to be respected always. They will only be respected price wewe to secure that level, and we've run above a high or below a low. Then this other one, and anyway, mu consolidation, it's okay. So every time I'm telling the other folks, please use institutional levels for entry. Chemba njogera komba nchimanyi nti that is what happens. And if you don't follow the rules of the market, you'll find yourself trading against the trend, trading against the big guys. Okay, so that is what happened here. Or GBP USD. GBP USD. The pound ran above old highs. Okay, you're using this 70 level or maybe the 80 level for entries. Okay, or GBP USD. Are we clear? You're not using support and resistance trend line here. You're not using indicators. All you're using is those levels. Well, Oinzogamba, but price didn't touch that. It is not a must for price to touch that level. Okay, it is not a must that price may not touching at that level. You look at the base and see, you look at the base, its index right here. Okay, Simanyi Molava over.
You're talking about 8:30. Mangas is now 8:30 here. What's the difference between here and the other side?
Now, do you want to know the difference between here and the other side? When you're doing your analysis, what do you consider every time you're doing your analysis? What do you consider? Let's first have that discussion. Let me first have that discussion with you. What do you consider?
The very first thing is trend.
The trend.
And then the currency, the index. Yeah.
How about time?
And the second is the currency index.
How about time and price?
Then the third is time frame.
Time and price, not time frame.
The third is time frame.
The time frame does not work. All you have to do is use your time and price. The price level and time. Yeah. Now, let me explain to you what happened on this.
And the fourth is news.
Okay, the news also. So let me go ahead and explain to you why most people lose money and the other people earn money. This is the reason. If you are trading higher highs and higher lows, what do you see here? What will you do?
Page. GBP.
Yes. What will you do? You will buy. Not so, because this is a higher high. Okay, this one here, it's a higher high. We have a higher low. Okay, this is the GBP. But for me, I do this. We are above this high. Okay, what price level? I am going to go back to the index, the currency pair. If we are above this high, it's okay. Let me go back to the currency pair. Now, which time is this? This is 15 minutes past 9 o'clock in the morning. Do you want to see that? Sure. 15 minutes. Do you see that in the corner? Let me enlarge. Let me do this. Do you see that? Once out in a Olaba once 15 minutes past.
Yeah.
So what happened at that time? We ran above this high. Pound your car. And what do you think happens after we've taken a high? We have to reprice. Okay, we have to reprice. So to them it is our own, because if it's not our own, we are going to check. Okay, it is steady. So now we run above. No, it's okay. It's okay. So we run above this high at 15 minutes past Sawa Sat. Sorry, yes, Sawa Sato is Okumacha. 9:15. So once you run above that high at 9:15, go back to the currencies that you want to trade, the foreign currencies, Zononia. Let's mark 9:15 here as well. 9:30. Then Tononia 9:15. 9. Then 9:30, 9:15. This green candle here, this green candle here. You see that green candle? This very one here. When you go back to the currency, what happened at that time? We also ran above that high. When I talk about time and price, this is what I mean. What time of the day? We are only trading past midnight. Okay? Past midnight, the New York time. Tulikuchi, tuliku 70 level. Oyo atosaka atwesonyiwe. Bernard gwe ever obeera ne issues with your audio. Ever Bernard has issues with his audio. Time and price right there. Tewali kirala kye tugenda kola. Are you selling or buying there? Makbul, are you going to sell or buy? Wanji?
Selling.
Or maybe you don't know what to do. Oyinzo beda stuck no gamba. Anyway, yes. Oyinzo beda no gamba. I am confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether I should sell or wait. No, what you do is one thing.
There you sell.
You sell. Did you sell?
I did not trade that time.
Yes, you did not trade that time because you saw green candles. Ha no gamba or why. Now let me tell you, Chinechintu, currency pairs will never work for you if you don't do your analysis. Gokosa indices, yes. They will never work for you. Oja take our stop loss, they hit the stop loss and go. Okay, but GTM stop loss. So what you need to do is one thing. Have your strategy. This is the time. What time? Past midnight. What price level? Smart trading entry. When I travel back in time or when I come back this side, what am I seeing? The base is ready to reprice. Once the base is ready to reprice, Kiki kyogenda okola. You go with the trend. You go with the trend. You move with the trend. Now let's look at the dollar at that very time. Wano webiwoomera sikyo. Tebadde 915. This is 915. Right here. Do you see this candle? Do you see this price level here? 915. Ogiraba? And what did we say? When the base is dropping and the quote is buying, what do? You sell. Okay? Do you see how simple things are? You don't need to go to Harvard or kuyiga Forex. You just need to use the strategies. So let me say, for example, from there to here, these are 60 something pips. For me, those pips are enough. 70 pips. 70 pips. Alba, are you our very own, or are you from the other galaxy?
No, I am our very own.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So that is how we do things here, Makbul, okay?
Yeah.
If you hesitate to click a buy or sell button on a demo, then I will simanyi. You blow that demo account, nga bw'oyagala, okay? Ne bw'oba oyagala, do it like Mubarak. Bw'oba oyagala, trade at $100 per pip, no one will say anything. But when it comes to yes, so Sharif has no network. We are so sorry. I wish we could help. I'm so sorry, but I think yes, please.
So can we still look at what I was trying to inquire?
Yes, and it is here waiting for you. It was which one was it? The Euro Yen?
GPP. No, GPP.
Okay.
JPY.
Okay, Sharif Akaba Taina network. Sharif Akaba Taina network. So let's see. This is so you wanted me to have a look for 30 minutes time frame. Yes.
Yeah, 00.
Yes, 1630. Big figure here. Now here we have this so-called institutional candle to zero level. Most people will look at this as an order block. Okay? Abalala bajagirabanga supply and demand. Lumutu agituma special candle. You remember that video? So waneno, it is not a problem. Okay, it is not a problem. You already see an institutional level there. Okay? We will go over institutional level, no sirika. Now, after seeing an institutional level, we also have this candle, for example, which sija jitambulira konyo, because we're tugenda ku 3-hour chart, that candle will disappear, but the institutional level won't disappear. Okay?
True.
Yes. So let's go back to 30 minutes. Let's also go to the pound, Japanese yen indices, okay? We are looking at the indices as well. So when I look at this index, the Japanese yen, this is the pound, okay? So we're looking at the JPY. Do you remember the time of the day? Zibadde sawa meka?
It was
yesterday. That this is before midnight.
Yeah, before midnight, New York time.
So are we supposed to trade before that time? Okay.
No.
We are just doing, we are doing the analysis, right? Yeah, we are doing the analysis. It's okay. So this is 2130. 2130 Japanese yen. It is right here, this candle. Ojirabe, this candle. Now this candle, you're trading it mweno candle ku 50 something. Twin a zero level around there. Okay, which would be considered as a 7150. Big figure. Let's look at that. Let's look at this. Oh, sorry, 7150. 71. Wanji. Yes, buza.
Yeah, like today, I've opened big good excellence.
Yeah.
Good it is down.
Charts.
When we could, yeah, charts it is down, right?
Mm.
When we put them on news, Gavaraga, all day US dollar, bank already. Nenga tena want it is down. How come that one is down?
Mu excellence zibadde tezitambula. Were you inside the broker oba ku MentoredTrader? MentoredTrader ebadde tetambula. Maybe excellence didn't want to work today. Ani mulala experiencing that problem with that broker?
What problem?
No, he says that with excellence the charts were not moving today, which I doubt. Ezimu zibayita ezitambula. Okay. Naye zatandise otambula.
Yeah, it was I traded on it.
Okay. So ezimu bwe tezitambula, I can't really tell you what caused that. That is from the broker. Sisobola kulya.
Gold yalekedda okutambula. Gold ya freezing the business tatambula. Naye kyemanyi ne zino guni endala cryptocurrencies ziri mu kutambula.
Okay. Okay, that is something nice. Each one it is technical. Okay, so here what do we have? Mwami Gundi, this is what we have here. Okirabye bulungi 2130. Awo. Yeyo doji gy'olabye. Now when we look at the pound, that particular time, 2130, what time of the day we are looking at? July 3rd, 2130. You know, you have a demo consolidation here. Okay, you have a demo consolidation on this candle.
Mentor, what lies behind that doji candle?
This doji candle, this was a rejection. Okay, in about the rejection, that price level was rejected. Okay, now in ensonga lwaki I don't want us to rely on order blocks. Institutional order blocks and areas of imbalance. It is because there are people trading daily charts and they are not using order blocks. They are not using imbalances. They are not using trend lines. They are using institutional levels. They are using time and price. Tukitegedde? Ebyo tubiyiga buyizi tubitegeere nti weebiri. So this time of the day here, ogambye nti we had amawulire ku Japanese yen. We had the news ku Japanese yen.
But it was at sawa munana.
Emisana?
At 250.
In the morning?
No, ekiro.
Okay, so when I look at this is a retail head and shoulder pattern. Wano. Mujirabe? Retail head and shoulder. Nyini. Ebimu bikola. Ebirala. Okay. Yes, head and shoulder. There. So maybe this is what they wanted. But the bagala head and shoulder. But the bagala. That's why, remember, nze nakugamba olina oyiga retail concepts zonna. Some don't work and endala tebeera head and shoulder, but amawulire bwe tubanga tubadde n'amawulire, maybe this is the news. I would say sawa meka zino, this drop here was the news. Okay, this drop here was the news. This drop was the news, but retail ajja kulaba tulina head and shoulder. But if it is a head and shoulder, wano teina kuyimirira wano, erina ku dropping omulundi gumu netuuka wano ku gundi yaabwe. Okay, so I think this was the news. Gabaddewo saawa 8 eza New York.
No, saawa 8 like ekiro nga tebunaba kukya.
Okay, saawa 8.
Before saawa 8 mwenda 10 erimu.
Linda ko saawa 8 ezeeno oba New York time? New York time, eh?
Ezeeno saawa 8 ez'ekiro ezeeno.
So that
Sunday.
So that was around what time? That was
before that candle.
Before this candle.
That was at 7 p.m. that side.
7 p.m. that side. Which side?
The other side.
The New York time. 7 p.m.
Yeah, New York time.
And
that is 2 p.m. Yeah.
Ate gunde egulawo saawa meka? Tokyo egulawo saawa meka? Tokyo session egulawo saawa meka? 1700. So wano tulaba tulinawo gap here. We have this gap. It's okay. So this is I won't deceive you, sagala kulimba. This is I'm seeing a retail head and shoulder here. Okay, sina kirala kyendaba. I'm just seeing a retail head and shoulder. Maybe amawulire gagisanzeeyo and this thing had to drop. Okay, and this thing had to drop. Amawulire bwe gajanga gali positive oba negative, bwe gajanga gali negative, sooka olabe kiki kyolina ku screen yo. Oba kino Abdu tewakirabye. Is that Abdu or Obote? Ndowooza y'omu Abdu.
Obote.
Yes, I think. Did you see this or you didn't see this? You didn't see this one coming.
I did.
You didn't see it. Yes. So sometimes you will look at this and be like, but I'm seeing. Okay. Then echidala, look at this high. We are close to 72 here. Okay. You see this price level, 72. This is too expensive. Okusinziira gundi jevudde wansi. Okay. Okusinziira eno jevudde 72 is too high, I guess, for them. So they had to adjust muko and they drop.
Meta.
Yes, please.
Kakati, olaba, on the institutional level.
Yes.
When you an institutional candle, in most cases, pushing a price high, even up like 100 square. The same thing it has New York session at around 16400 price level.
16400, the same pair.
Yeah, the same pair. 5-minute time frame.
164.
00. You've written 168.
Sorry. 164. This one here. Ogambe 16400.
Yes, on 5-minute time.
5 minutes.
5-minute time.
Okay, so which one pushed price higher?
That candle.
This one.
Candle.
This
the
one.
alone candle.
This one here.
No.
This one here.
No, the previous one. That one.
This one here.
Yeah, so price traded up. And then when it came back, while I was watching it,
okay.
When it came back and just retested, we have a 5-minute candle.
Yes.
That pushed over 40 pips. Let me see. They were around 40 pips, 30 pips, 40, and then
35. Okay.
It pulled.
Okay, need that one.
Then it made 70. And you get dropping it.
Okay, so when was this? This was at 18. And remember, do we have Friday's high anywhere? Is this Friday's high? I doubt. This is Friday's high. Okay, you know, see Friday's high. So chidi ekirala ky'olina okukola Abdu chidi kimu. Fine, those institutional candles ziyinza okukolera, but I don't want you to rely on them, because one day they are going to disappoint you. One day they are going to disappoint. Okay. What time of the day? What time of the day was it? The institutional level, yes. The institutional level inside, yes. Institutional level, yes. There I agree with you. Zino zibadde sawa meka? Sawa 11 kitundu ez'okumakya. Okay, sawa 11 kitundu ez'okumakya.
Zibadde sawa. Is that New York time?
Yes. Yes, sawa 11 ez'okumakya when price came back to that level. 11 kitundu. This candle that gave us close to 30 pips.
Yeah.
Okay, that candle that gave us close to 30 pips.
So that I apply on those candles, but when that candle is formed on an institutional
yes,
level,
yes.
I'll better
Kushua deal.
Yes. In that
yes.
level, yeah.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, true. That's why we call them institutional levels, institutional candles, because they're institutional candles. Institutional candles because they're institutional levels. I don't know how the other folks call them. For them, they call them order blocks. But nze ndaba institutional level. Okay, this is an institutional candle, institutional level. Kwa your time frame. Naye bwe tugenda ku gundi endala ebya institutional candle bivaawo ne tubeerawo naki ne institutional level yokka gye tusigaza. So
in the future,
yes.
In the future, when price comes back to that level, I use it again as support just once. Then you support.
Okay.
Support level that will push price above that high that was previously formed. So
okay.
So I wait for price to come back to this level.
Okay, the institutional level. Okay. Okay.
And then they start the support level.
Okay.
I buy.
Okay.
And
right
I go
here.
hold until it breaks that high.
This one here.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. It is a brilliant idea. Backtest your strategies, and you make sure you're not going against the market. If you trade against the trend, you will end up having a margin call. So let's have another Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed with okay, so tufune gundi endala. Let's get another pair to analyze. Let's get another currency pair tukolireko analysis. Sharif or Gambot here. Let's see. This one here wants us to look at the USD card. USD card, remember as usual, soka kolira analysis ku indices zongazo. I know abasinga kino ekintu kyabatamyetamye dda, but I have to. Okay, kino ekintu kino kyabatamye dda, but I have to. That is how we make it here. So the dollar was consolidating today, that one I'm sure. This is the dollar yatandikidde wano. This, what time of the day was this? This was July 1st. So sawa mukaaga is New York, ziri luddawa around here, this high. Okay, so erituwayo retail head and shoulder, that pattern here, head and shoulder, the retail head and shoulder, the inverted head and shoulder here. Naye kyogenda okola kiri kimu, you see tulina consolidation. Yayambuseko katono nnyo. Okay, yafunyeyo ka bullishness katono. Kino ki website kyabatamyetamye dda, that one I know. Ekyo kyo nkimanyi. But with time you will fall in love with it. After losing over and over again, you will fall in love with it, because here ibe kulaga ekigenda maaso both sides. USD card consolidation. Kati when we're looking at the USD tutunulira sawa meka, sawa 2 kitundu at least. So sawa 2 kitundu, we have this candle eya green and one can take a line around here. So 2 kitundu, ow, that candle, that line. Canadian dollar sawa 2 kitundu, what do we have? We also have this. We have this candle. Okay, this one selling here. Ne wano tewabaddewo sente ziriawo, we didn't have any money here today. Lwaki yayambuse katono in consolidation, then as this one started consolidating and endala nayo ne funachi rally waggulu. So nze ndaba wano USD card kirabika teyakoze sente zonna. Let's visit the website, the currency pair. It's dope on your side. Okay, buli omu alina opinion ye ku ki website ekyo. Okay, let's see what we have.
And are people struggling to get here?
You share this thing with them. You are given an expired link.
Yeah.
But how expired? How expired? Let me share this
Security.
one.
The one.
The first one.
I think you
Sorry,
use
sorry.
first link to create a new one to continue this lesson.
Oh, so the other, once you click on the other link, it expires. I didn't know that. So I am sharing the second link. Please mute your phones. Nadalanga zilimu vibration. Mute your phone. Nadalanga zilimu vibration. Okay. we shall be using this, okay? We shall be using this link because the other people shouldn't interrupt next time. Okay, the other people might end up. You are there now, okay? Fine, that is nice. So let's go on.
But don't you think they might come into the group also?
Even if they come in the group. Even if they come in the group.
From the group we can manage them.
Yeah, very true. From the group. And by the way, what you need to do is one. What you need to do is one. Please, if Monday, if you see anyone without a Luganda name, Gasimuna Uganda, we are not mentoring Kenyans. We are not mentoring people from outside Uganda. We are not. Chino chintu chafe. So if you saw those people, the Perez, Simanyi, because you just block them. Now you first make sure that they are not your own people. Okay? Togoba bantu. No, the mistake I did because someone was commenting on YouTube kubuli video ngagamba nti mentor you always hold Zoom meetings. Some of us we don't know about it. So nengamba, since most people are not in the group, let's just put the link once mu description once ku YouTube, such that if someone sees that something is going on, alaba it is something related to Zoom, ayinza okulaba link once nakola ki. Me, I do know that there are people with malicious intentions okukola ki, okutandika okukola ebintu ebityo. You get it? Yes. So then the other thing is uploading. Yes. So uploading these videos, it also takes my team time. So nengamba, what we do is one. Let's just have it stream the other side because I lost a lot of content. Simanyi over virus, whatever it is. So nembabuza content wange nebagamba anti virus. So nengamba, okay, what we can do is one, let's just stream it once. Okay, kigendo mulundi gumu. Ayagala okuddamu okulaba asobola ogenda eyo nakola ki. Because sometimes I'm doing my stuff, the computer is slow. They tell me that Zoom videos zenyina zezisto ya computer, which I know is a lie. Okay, buba bulimba, but echokola kyusibera nakyo. So let's go on ku USD card. Tumaze okulaba ku this website here that we got a rally sawa 2.5 is a New York ku dollar. Then yaba demo consolidation at that time. So while this one was consolidating, dollar ebadde egula till here. Okay, till one wagulu. So what do you do? Nze I mark two things. I normally mark two things. I mark institutional levels. Okay, I will mark that 80 level in CDK. Then above the 80 level, what do we have? I come back here. What time of the day? 8:30. What time is this? This is 11:45. Okay, one. So price neyambuka. That is 10. This is 10:30, 11, 11:30. 11:30 netandika consolidating on. Okay, yatandise this consolidation. Yatandise kweno red candle 11:45. At 11:45 kweno red candle here. Laba wano ku card 11:45. 11:45, it is this green candle. Okitegeera. Now this is what you do. Whether you want to believe me or not, whether I am the prophet of doom or not, whether I am fake or not, have these two things osirike. Eno currency chekola neno nayo ino gitunulira. You need to train your eyes okulaba both sides. Me, I trade one currency a day, one currency pair a day. I look at what to trade. That's why you will never see me lose money the way the other people in our group are losing money.
But seriously, Mentor, if you give one pair time,
thank you.
You make it.
Thank you, Teddy. You make it.
But there are times when you give one player time and it does the opposite. Like analyzing.
Like today, me, I gave like, let me say 2 players time, but yeah.
They were promising.
I made some command.
Thank you. Institutional levels. Teddy, why entry is institutional levels, I guess. Wanji? But how come that Teddy Talimu, is it the VIP group? Why do we only have 2 ladies there? We need people that are active. Teddy, are you in the group?
Not really.
You're going to talk to.
The VIP group, not me.
You're going to talk to my boss. His name is Lutei Jr. Okay. Please, always, Mwami Gundi. All these ladies, okay. Tetwina lumia bana abachala. We are not supposed to okulumia these ladies because they are very important to our community, to the Forex community. So Monday.
True, because that's the way to go.
Yeah, I love Teddy's, you know. Now let me tell you, you people that are rushing to join the VIP group, temuli muchamanyi, okay? Temuli muchamanyi, as per now, techinaba.
What about
Macbull, you're not a lady. We are only looking at ladies. No, eyo tewali yo chamanyi. You're welcome. Nebo ingirayo toyina chamanyi kyogenda okujjayo. Tubeera just mu kibuuzi. You ask Abdulwarid. You ask Abdulwarid, you ask whoever is there. There are no signals there. Wanji? Okay. No, there is something. Anyway, sagala kwogera nnyo because
the saga signals.
Okay, kale, let's proceed. Waliwo yatuwadde pair gye tuli kutunulako wano tetunamuddamu. Tetunamuddamu, waliwo yatuwadde. Waliwo yatuwadde pair. Macbull ali too stubborn. Waliwo yatuwadde pair wano. Let's go with this one. So abaddani USD JPY, sorry, dollar card, USD card, okay, and those are tukuzeemu bulungi. If you okay. So yeah, you've understood kati. Kyembasaba kiri kimu nera kino ngenda kiddamu. Nze anjagala atanjagala gwamanyi. As long as you do this, believe me, you will never cry. Tolikaaba maziga. Yes. Nze nkimanyi abanjagala be bangi okusinga batanjagala. You get it?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Social trading, social
we are coming to that. We are coming to that soon. Najib Totia, okay? Sicho? Yes, yes. Okay, we are coming to that. Tutenyo kwogera kwebyo ebintu after the analysis here. Okay, tutenyo kwogera kwebyo ebintu after. Okay, let me talk about that briefly. Briefly, chetugenda okola kiri kimu. It is only available. Yes, please.
Excuse me.
I'm listening to you.
Sorry for interruption, but
it's okay.
I want to. I'm asking again for the name of the website, if you don't mind.
It is
this website.
Ngitayipinza ogirabye?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Omanyi Shabani ayagala nnyo website eyo, simanyi oba yagifunamu nti buli bw'agyogerako aseka. So social trading, we are going to talk about that. Totia. Omanyi nze in life what I hate talking about ekintu ekitagwa. Okay, I hate talking about ekintu ekitagwa. We were supposed to start today with the other people. Naye by the way, abagundi ndowooza tuyinayo broker omugwe tuyina okozesa, I think. Tuyina broker omugwe tuyina okozesa, I think. That is not for VIP, okay? I will have another meeting with them. Mbabulire kiki kye twasazeewo. Okay, just I will have a Zoom session with them. Mbabulire kiki kye twasazeewo. We are going to manage your accounts. Nga mutandikidde ku gundi. Buli omu dola ezitali nyingi, at least little money, sente butono. You're going to give me your gundi broker Jakuwa. You're not giving me your email and password, but I have so many computers here. Is it a bit useless? Is it a caller? And I have internet, so I think they are like how many are they? 20, 15 people Monday. Are they 20 or 15? Our VIP. No, mulimu there are people from the other mentorship yedda. So those ones sibabala. Abo sibabala. They don't give me their analysis, so those ones I don't know them. Okay, we are going to talk about it. Tujakyogerako. Temutya sagala kubba sente zamwe. Sagala kubba sente zamwe temutya. Okay, so let's the likes of Mubarak, I know you really want to make some money. Yes, please. WordPress president. Oli mupya ludda wa? Zoom si yange, Zoom ya abantu. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. Waliwo omwami gwe bayita Monday. In case you want anything, please buuza oyo omwami. You ask that guy. Because nange yansalirawo ekyokukola. Wangisebo? Yes, Abdu.
Oyo mentor wa gold.
Mentor wa gold. Okay.
Actually, so there's something you're explaining previously.
Kale, kyetugenda okola kiri kimu ebyama by'omunju katubireke munju. We shall end the YouTube live stream, then we talk about that on Zoom here. Sicho Abdu. Yes. We are going to end the stream on YouTube in a few minutes from now. Analysis ewedeyo, we end.
Yes, let's end Mentor.
Okay.
Now
this is what.
There's some last thing you're saying here. And if someone loves you or hates you, you're going to mention it.
No. Yes. If whether you love me or not, you will have to do your analysis like this. And still, yes. Okay, let's end this YouTube thing then to Komewe, no? Let's end the YouTube thing, then we come back here.